Hey, and welcome back to another 12 days of giveaways where every day for 12 days, I'm going to share a quick holiday tip and give away one of my favorite things. Today's video, I'm going to show you 5 of my all-time favorite recipes for fast and easy holiday appetizers. Every Christmas day, our tradition is to just have a bunch of appetizers, watch Christmas movies, and kind of cuddle as a family. So I have my go-to favorite easy appetizers that are also perfect for unexpected guests or things that you can just always have in your pantry so that you know they're not going to go bad and you can whip them out at a moment's notice for fancy, delicious, awesome holiday appetizers. And the first is my kids' all-time favorite spinach dip. This spinach dip is like restaurant worthy amazing. I actually got this recipe from my dad because my kids were raving about it, and it's so simple. You probably have everything, maybe not the artichokes, but you probably have most of these things already in your house. What you want to add to a slow cooker, to a crock pot, is 1 can of Alfredo sauce, 1 cup of mayonnaise, 2 cans of artichoke hearts. I feel like this is optional, but I personally love artichokes, so I'm like, give me all the artichoke. 1 bag or box of frozen spinach. We always have frozen spinach, so just like toss the whole package in. Delicious. Finish it off with some garlic salt or garlic powder, or you can add some crushed fresh garlic if you're feeling like real extra, just a little bit of that. And I'm gonna go ahead and add some cheese. We have mozzarella on hand, but you can add any type of cheese that you like. Put this into your pot. Heat this on low for 2 to 4 hours in your crock pot, and you're gonna have the most delicious, creamy, amazing spinach dip. Serve it with cut up pita pieces or fresh baguette that you've sliced into slices. Amazing. Even crackers works in a pinch. Your guests and your family are going to love this, and it takes less than 5 minutes to prepare. This next holiday appetizer I actually had first at Joe's mom's, and now it's like a Christmas staple. Amazing. So fast and easy. Literally 3 ingredients. And you probably don't have this, but you might have the bacon and the barbecue sauce and water chestnuts. I feel like, you know that chestnuts roasting on an open fire, the Christmas song? That's why you have to have chestnuts. I would never think that they were good. Amazing wrapped in bacon. So all you do is slice a pound of bacon in half and wrap 1 half slice bacon around the water chestnut and then secure with a toothpick. Heat that up at 375 in the oven for about 15 minutes, then take it out, slather it with barbecue sauce, and cook it for another 40 minutes. That's it. That's literally it. The best appetizer of all time. You're gonna wow your guests. You're gonna look like you have your life together. And it's so fast and easy to do. This next appetizer is definitely my favorite because I love Brie cheese, but also I'm lazy. And this is so fast, so easy, and delicious. All you need is a crescent roll and Brie cheese. I like to add a little jelly. You can have red pepper jelly or maybe even a cranberry jelly. That's what I'm using. And that's it. Brush with an egg wash. So simple. Start by laying out your crescent roll really nice and flat, and then just cutting off the wax of your Brie cheese. Some people leave it on, but I prefer to just thinly slice it off. Then set your Brie on top of the crescent roll and wrap it. I'm kind of offsetting it a little bit because I'm gonna go extra fancy pants. And I'm going to use a cookie cutter on this end to cut out a couple snowflakes. Oh, so beautiful, so Christmassy. Just cutting out some snowflakes to set on top. I'm just gonna cut this off so I can use these little extra pieces to fill in any gaps that aren't covered. So wrap your Brie, but don't wrap it on the top yet. You wanna pull everything up, kind of just like you're wrapping a gift. Wrap it in the crescent roll. And then on the very top, you can spoon your jelly before you put the final piece on top. Top with a little bit of egg wash just so it doesn't burn, and then pop it in the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes. I can't talk about holiday appetizers without talking about a charcuterie board. I used to be so intimidated thinking that I had to buy expensive meats and cheeses and olives with pits in them or something, but now I've realized it's really about having whatever you have on hand. We love having different kinds of kielbasa and cheese that we already have in the house, maybe adding some fruit or nuts or crackers and jams. You can't do this wrong. It always looks gorgeous. Just layer it on a board or even a plate. It doesn't matter. We don't have to go fancy to have a delicious and fancy looking charcuterie board. This last holiday appetizer is my kids' favorite, and it's 2 ingredients. You can add little things, and I'm going to show you some extras to make it even more delicious at the end, but basically all you need are Pillsbury like pizza crust or any pizza dough that you have will work, and 7 cheese strings, like mozzarella cheese strings. You want to start by cutting your cheese strings so each of them are about an inch long. So just like chop up your cheese strings, then go ahead and open your can or open your pizza dough. Now that my pizza dough is already a little log, I'm just gonna like slice it and make like little knobs and then slice that down the middle as well. So I end up with just a whole bunch of tiny, kind of half-inch dough balls. Take each of the little pieces of dough and you kind of just want to like make a circle, I guess, and then wrap it around that piece of cheese, like tucking that piece of cheese in the center and make it a little cute little dough ball. All right, now on a parchment lined paper pan, you just want to start putting your dough balls in the pattern of a Christmas tree. So one on the top, then maybe 2, then 3 row. You get the idea, but make sure that they're all touching. That is definitely the secret. And that's it. Keep wrapping and plopping your little dough balls. You're going to be amazed how this turns out. So once everything's like in a little tree like this, how cute are all these little pizza dough balls with cheese inside? Just give it a quick egg wash and then pop it in the oven at 450 for about 20 minutes. This pull apart Christmas tree turned out so gorgeous and I can't wait to eat it. I melted some butter with some Parmesan cheese and some oregano, and I'm just gonna brush this over top and then put some pizza sauce in a little cup. My kids are going to love this. I love all these delicious holiday appetizers. You can put these together really fast, and all the ingredients are things that you can keep in your fridge, freezer, or pantry all the time without worrying about them going bad. So you can whip this together at a moment's notice. These are must-have holiday appetizers. I'm going to put links to all the recipes that I got down below in the description, but now let's talk about delicious food. I want to talk about today's giveaway. Today's giveaway is actually brought to you by HelloFresh because HelloFresh is definitely one of my favorite things. I treat myself every week to 3 HelloFresh meals delivered right to my door, and I love that they're healthy, homemade, delicious meals that I don't have to shop for and that I don't have to plan. I also love that the instructions are so easy to follow. On the back of all the recipe cards are step-by-step instructions with pictures, so even my kids can't mess this up. It's so delicious, so nutritious. I love that there's over 30 recipes to choose from, so I'm not stuck in that recipe rut of always cooking the same things. And because everything is pre-portioned, there's way less food waste. Right now, you can get 18 free meals plus free shipping. Go to HelloFresh.com and use the coupon code Clutterbug18 to get 18 free meals plus free shipping. That's HelloFresh.com, coupon code Clutterbug18. And also, for one lucky winner, HelloFresh is donating a $100 gift card. So all you have to do to enter to win HelloFresh delicious food is hit that link in the description. I'm gonna put it down below and in the comments. Hit that link and fill out your name and email to be entered to win a HelloFresh $100 gift card. And I'll also be sending the winner a gift basket with all my favorite kitchen gadgets so you can make a delicious meal at home. So don't forget, you can enter today's giveaway and all the other giveaways right up until December 16th. So make sure you go back and watch those other videos, click the links in all the descriptions, fill out your name and email to be entered to win one of 12 amazing prizes. I'm going to draw all the prizes on December 16th and do an announcement after that. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you back here tomorrow for another giveaway.